How to create a multi-axis spider chart in Google Sheets. Multi-axis spider chart data requirements. You need between 2 and 5 columns of numerical data to create a multi-axis spider chart. Numerical data definition. It is in the form of numbers and is numeric in nature. It can be counted or measured and can be arranged in a logical order. Numerical data is also called quantitative data. You need one column of categorical data to create a multi-axis spider chart. Categorical data definition. It describes a characteristic or a category of data. It takes on values that are names or labels. Categorical data is also called qualitative data. In this video, we will construct a multi-axis spider chart with 4 data columns as follows. 3 numerical data columns, 1 categorical data column. Important: multi-axis spider chart will only accept data in columns as shown in the image on the left. Click on the Extensions menu. Install ChartExpo add-on. Enhance your charting experience with advanced charts. An add-on is software that adds new features into Google Sheets. How to install ChartExpo video is available in iCard, located in top right corner. Video link is also provided in the description below. Please click on More. Once the ChartExpo add-on is installed, it should display an Extensions menu. Click on the Charts, Graphs and Visualizations by ChartExpo. Click on Open submenu. Click on the Add New Chart button. Search for multi-axis spider chart. Then select it. Select the sheet holding your data from Sheet Name drop-down. Note: Header Row checkbox is checked because data contains header row. Select Metric Website Traffic. Select Metric Social Media Engagement. Select Metric Lead Generation. Select Dimension Campaign. You can set row range using the slider, or manually set value in Start Row and End Row text boxes. Currently, we will select all rows. When all required selections have been made, the Create Chart button will become active. Click on the Create Chart button. Click on the Edit Chart button. Click on the chart header pen to edit the properties. Then enter the header text. Make sure you have turned on Show Property before you click the Apply button. Click on the Chart Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Curve Point section. You can hide curve point. You can set the radius of curve point. Click on the Measure Label section. You can hide measure label. You can set the text of measure label. Click on the Axis Label section. You can hide axis label. You can set the number of ticks. You can change precision. You can set the prefix and postfix. Click on the Grid Lines section. You can hide grid lines. You can change number of circle lines. Click on the Legend Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Legend section. You can hide legend. You can set the dock. You can set legend alignment. Click on the Box section. You can change the color and shape type. Change the color and shape type all boxes. Click on the Save button. Click on the Export button to export chart in JPG, PNG, SVG, or PDF. Click on the Add Chart to Sheet button to add chart image in Sheet. We appreciate your business. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.